Hello and welcome to this special edition of Perky Penny Paper Arts. Today I'm joining Justine Hovey for her April collaboration month, and I'm super excited because today is her birthday. A great big happy birthday to you, Justine. I hope your day is full of joy. To celebrate the day, we are going to show you some quick and easy last-minute birthday cards. Follow along as I share my 5 secret weapons for quick birthday cards, and then go to the description below the video and click on the link to check out Justine's video with 5 more fun cards. So let's get started with secret weapon number 1, Doodlebugs Doodle Pops. I discovered these when I first started making cards, and I'm a huge fan. These are just a few of the designs, and they have such a great price point at $1.50. It's just a no-brainer to have some on hand in case of that birthday card emergency. Today I'm going to use this adorable dragon to create a fun child's birthday card. I took Grass Skirt and Aquatini Catherine Pooler inks and a makeup brush to blend out a scene of grass and sky. These brushes make it pretty effortless, I must say. All it took was a tap 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 on the ink pad, a tap 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 on my craft mat, and a few swishes on the paper, and my background was created in less than a minute. Now, I could have spent more time perfecting it, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I try not to be such a perfectionist and just let myself go a bit. I chose a sentiment from the Mama Elephant Dragon Wishes stamp set and stamped it in black ink, and then applied my dragon and embellishments, and this card was done. In real time, it took about 3 minutes. Isn't this cute? I love the built-in dimension on these stickers. My second secret weapon for creating fast birthday cards is patterned paper. In this instance, I'm taking 2 coordinating patterns from the Lawn Fawn Spring Fling Petite Paper Pack. One with these beautiful flowers, and one that's basically a solid paper. I cut a 4-inch by 5 1/4 inch piece of the flowering paper, and then trimmed it out with a 4 1/8 inch by 5 3/8 inch piece of the green. I centered and adhered these layers onto the card front, and then cut a sentiment from the remaining pieces of the green paper and glued that to the front of the card. If you're like me, you have all kinds of paper sitting around. Why not put it to good use? And now for secret weapon number 3, the W+9 Happy Wishes Stamp and Die set, or really any other set where you can create a background quickly. My rule of thumb is to start off stamping each image 3 times in a triangle pattern, and then I build it out from there. I chose to use the Happy Wishes die cut out of black paper and centered that on my card, and then I stamped the word sending above it. A little trick to bring it all together is to take a small dot or flower and stamp it around the panel in black, just a pop of something to bring everything together, and another card is done. Well, secret weapon number 4 is another stamp set, but it's quite different, and I think you'll agree. Lawn Fawn puts out a yearly stamp set to celebrate their birthday, and they are always birthday themed. These are adorable and affordable little stamp sets at $3.99, and they even have coordinating dies you can purchase that are similarly affordable. This year's set is all about the taco, and who doesn't love a dancing taco? I stamped the taco in the center of the card base, and then on some paper from the Lawn Fawn Spiffy Speckles 6x6 paper pack, 1 in green for the lettuce and 1 in yellow for the shell. If I wasn't doing a quick and easy card, I'd ink blend some dimension into these, but I don't think it's actually necessary, so I'm keeping it simple this time. I wanted my taco to have some arms and legs, so I used a stamp from the Lawn Fawn Sweet Friends stamp set to do this. I stamped the legs and then cleaned off the stamp and did one arm and then the other. I got a little smudge in the middle of the taco, but I wasn't concerned because I'll be covering that up with paper piecing. The next step was to cut out the 2 colored papers. I know the last thing someone might think is paper piecing for a quick card, but in this instance it really did take about 2 minutes to cut out both pieces. I glued the shell over the lettuce, gave the little guy a smile, and then attached him on the card popped up with a foam square. I went about stamping the hat and the sentiment, but ran into a snag when I started to color in the hat with my Copic markers. I completely forgot that I needed to stamp in Memento Tuxedo Black ink or some other ink that's Copic friendly for the Copic coloring. This was quickly fixed by stamping the hat in the appropriate ink on a separate piece of paper, coloring it in with my markers, and then cutting and pasting it to my card. Now, like all the cards in this video, I have a plethora of ideas of what else I could do to jazz this card up. In this case, though, I practiced restraint and called this one done. My fifth and final secret weapon today is this beautiful Happy Birthday thin list die from Stampin' Up! It's a great idea to just have them cut out and stored somewhere for when you need them. To showcase the sentiment, I took a 5-inch square of colored cardstock and scored it on all four sides at 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inches, and 1 inch from the edge. This created a sophisticated yet simple frame for the sentiment. I then simply popped it up in the middle of a 6x6 inch card base with foam tape and glued the sentiment to the center. And my final card of the day is complete. I hope you enjoyed my 5 secret weapons for last-minute birthday cards. Be sure to go and follow the link in the description below and check out Justine's take on 5 quick birthday cards. I'm sure they'll be amazing. As always, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to check out my videos. If you enjoyed it, a thumbs up is appreciated, and I'm always happy for your comments and suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Here are a couple of other videos you might enjoy. Until next time, happy crafting! I look forward to seeing you soon.